Good morning, students. Today is Thursday, May 21st. Today you are going to continue with your creative writing that you began last Thursday. So we, again, are going to do little mini lessons each Thursday so that you kind of have something specific to work on in your creative writing. So today's mini lesson is on using precise language and descriptive language. And so there is a PlayPosit called Mission Replacement that you are going to be watching. So if you click on the directions, it's going to say open PlayPosit, and you should go through Clever to do this. And then you're going to find the mission replacement video that is assigned for today, and you will watch that and respond to the prompts when asked. And once that is all done, you can mark that as complete. The next step is for you to go into your assessments or Google Drive and find the document that you were writing in last Thursday, either option 1 or option 2, and open that back up and continue to write for 15 to 20 minutes. So if you need to find it in Otis, you need to go to your assessments, and then you will find either option 1, which was the document that you were writing 3 short prompts. So last week, that was the prompt about getting a package delivered to your door, and it was addressed to you, what happened. So this week's prompt is you get on an airplane or in a car, and when you ... or arrive, you ... So you are responding to that prompt, and you should write for 15 to 20 minutes. Now, if you need a timer, we have a timer provided right here, and that will give you that exact amount that you should be writing. Now, if you chose option 1 and you finish your 15 minutes of creative writing, you can mark that complete. If you had chosen option 2, which is to write the complete story, you need to continue your story from last Thursday and make sure that you are following your plot. You should have kind of sketched out a general plot idea using our linked plot diagram, and you should be continuing the story. And remember, in both cases, you need to be focusing on using really good descriptive words instead of using, like, for example, good. You could use marvelous or fantastic or anything like that. So you're replacing boring, bland words in your writing with descriptive words, and you can use a thesaurus if that helps you. So you should be writing for at least 15 to 20 minutes for either option, whichever one that you selected last week. And once that is done, you can mark that as complete. Okay, so happy writing, be creative, enjoy, and drop into our 9 to 10 a.m. drop-in or our 1 to 2 p.m. drop-in if you have any questions.